What go on, my people? So I Octane and Yannick the Curvy Diva do a song. It's an interesting song, people. You know what I mean? Because its song is called Unfair Games, and they have a video feed, and the video concept, I don't know who direct the video, but it's a good direction of the video, the song, the melody, everything. If I was to grade this song, I would have given this song a 10 out of 10. No lie, because everything is so coordinated, the melody is good, and no one was off key, and it was a good storyline. You know what I mean? Both song-wise and both video-wise. You know what I mean? So it's a good direction for the video. And it's interesting because it's just saying Yannick I cheat with Tanto Blacks. How Tanto Blacks getting at the middle of these people? Tanto Blacks, I Octane must be I Octane people for in the middle of the video. I cheat with Yannick the Curvy Diva. You know what I mean? Tanto Blacks, I force somebody miss if it drops so much people. You know what I mean? And Tanto Blacks in the middle of this video acting like he's the real Tanto Blacks did have to be a star because he's just a comedian. He's not even an artist. He's just a comedian because just the way he does his things. You know what I mean? But he's the one who Yannick the Curvy Diva is cheating with. And at the first part of the video, that wasn't Yannick the Curvy Diva rubbing Tanto Blacks' face. I don't know if Yannick didn't want to do that part or something. You know what I mean? But anyway, in the bed, it looked like that was Tanto Blacks under the sheet. You know what I mean? Not really under the sheet, but both of them was in the bed, so that looked like it was Tanto Blacks. And it was an interesting twist of story, people, where at the end, with Tanto Blacks go in his house with Yannick the Curvy Diva to buck I Octane with his Mampy. Because as you can see, Tanto Blacks have a Mampy people and a Mampy cover I Octane in the couch. You know what I mean? It was interesting and I like it. It's a good song, my people. You can take a look, take a listen now for the song. It's an interesting song. Big up to Yannick the Curvy Diva, big up to I Octane, and big up to Tanto Blacks. You know what I mean? Big up everybody who take part in the video. The video was direct good and it was a good song. Peace. I'm out.
Hello?
Yeah, babes, all good.
What do you mean by Wagwan?
That me call for ask you. Can you move away from what it's still, you know? Yeah, move, yo, Johnny, stop. Maybe me assume still, you know, but...
What are that you do?
Here, Wagwan.
My girl, when you call you from morning, you can't tell me so you not see the phone.
I never see it.
But me drive, pass and see and I get pretty blown.
So why you watch my car?
Everything get the real boy, yeah. But from you get them silicones.
Cause I you pay feet.
You start hype and I give me attitude. One bag of silly nouns. Cause if you treat on me I go treat on you. And free games can play by two.
Then if you cheat on me I go cheat on you. Unfair games can play by two. Hold on there. You call me sexy and pretty like a Barbie. I want you feel the next man, I want me.
Yo! What up? See the woman there, my lad. And it's a man.
Yo! Clean and you not take me out. Can't program me like me a press remote. If you not see me for yourself,
cause if
you want to
treat on me I go treat on you. And free games can play by two.
Then if you cheat on me I go cheat on you. Unfair games can play by two.
Sure you never see a circus. Me sure you never see a clown.
You sure?
I'm sure it's a talk you did meet from the first time you been around. Remember man, while out the road you convinced me to see my down, yeah. So me sure say me love you, but me nah make you drop my thing a ground. Cause if you treat on me I go treat on you. And free girls
Let me alone,
can play by two.
then if you cheat on me on you. Unfair games can play by two. Me not care, me not have to stay in your place. I'm sick and tired of you.
I'm sure it's a talk you did meet from Cause if you cheat on me I go cheat on you.
Yo, what is? What is? Some of them are built.
Then if you cheat on me I go cheat on you. Unfair games, can't play by two.
When I call you from morning, you can't tell me so you not see the phone.
I never see it.
But me drive, pass and see and I get pretty blown.
So I wear watch my back.
Wait, I want to buy that stuff.
Oh shit!
I'm a pastor.
When did that come from? So what are you?
What is?
Sister!
Me I go cheat on you.